Good day friends, this video will help us to understand about the unique function which is one of the unique feature in Office 365. So we have the movie ID and the OTT platform in column B and C. So now the requirement here is we want to extract the unique fields from this range. So the formula is unique equal to UNIQUE open parenthesis, select the range or the array and close parenthesis, press enter. So now you could see, even though we have multiple elements here, but still only these are the five different unique platforms that we have. This is option number one. And the second option is equal to UNIQUE open parenthesis, select the entire range and comma, comma, and then see here return items that appear exactly once. In this case, I have only one Amazon Prime and only one Sony Live. So let me put true here, close parenthesis and press enter so that I'll be getting only Amazon Prime and Sony Live. So if we want to make any changes here, for example, I'll just change it to AHA and press enter. So you can see the change here. So this is how you can use the unique function. Thank you.